Okay, question 20 from exercise 11G. Holly was recording the heights of tall trees in a state forest to have them registered for protection. A river prevented her from measuring the distance from the base of a particular tree. So the river is over here somewhere. All right. She recorded the angle of elevation of the top of the tree from point A as 25 degrees. So let's put the 25 degrees angle of elevation in there, is that one. All right, Holly walked 80 metres towards the tree and recorded the angle of elevation from point B. So towards the tree, so this is 80 metres in here, and the angle of elevation from point B now is 50 degrees. Now, part A wanted us to copy the diagram shown and add the given information, which we've just done that, so that's part A. Part B wants us to find the angle at B inside the triangle. Now, what they're actually looking for inside the triangle would be this angle here. So remember, the angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So we know if I call that angle B plus 50 degrees equals 180 degrees, which means that angle B must be equal to 130 degrees. So we now know this angle in here is 130 degrees. Part C wants us now to find angle C inside the triangle, which is this one. All right, and we know the angles inside a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So now that we have angle A being 25, we have angle B equal to 130. Angle C is what you're looking for. They all equal 180. 130 and 125 is 155. Take that away from 180 and you get 25 degrees. So I've just drawn that triangle and just looked at the bits and pieces that we know from that triangle. So let's just write down what we do know now. So we know, we don't know side A, but we do know angle A, which is 25 degrees. We don't know side B, okay, but we do know angle B is equal to 130 degrees. And we do know side C, that was 80. In fact, that was 80 metres, wasn't it? And side angle C, we worked out to be 25. Now, in part D, what are we looking for? Find the length of B, okay? Find the length of B. So we want that one there. So that, and that one there. So we will use B over sine of B is equal to C over sine of C. And let's substitute in. B is what you're looking for, over sine of 130 is equal to 80 over sine of 25. B sine of 25 is equal to 80 times sine of 130. When you get B by itself, 80 sine 130 divided by sine of 25, and that equals, so we get 145 degrees, 0.009, 0.01 if you like. We'll put the degrees there. That's to 2 decimal places. All right, part E asks us to find the length, use the length B, which we've just found. Pardon, so that was not an angle, okay, that was a length, so that's 145.01 metres. We found length B. Okay, so I think in part E now there is a problem with the question. I think it should probably say triangle BDC, not ADC, because it's saying to use the length B. So this is what I think the question is asking. Here's my right angle triangle, and we've just found the length of B to be 145.01. We know that, and so there's B, that's C, and that's D. We know that angle B is 50 degrees. All right, so we've got 90 and 50 is 140, which means that this angle here is 40 degrees as well. Now, we are looking for the height of the tree, which is this. Now, because it's a right angle triangle, we can go back to our old rules there, which were sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse, cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse, tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. So what do I have here? If I use this angle as my angle, my given angle, then the side I'm looking for is the opposite, okay, and 145 is the hypotenuse, which is what they wanted me to use. So therefore I've got theta equals 50 degrees. Opposite is what I'm looking for, and hypotenuse equals 145.01. So what do I use? Sine, cos, or tan. So it's SOP, sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. Sine of 50 degrees equals opposite over 145.01. So 145.01 times sine of 50 degrees is equal to the opposite, and that gives me 111.08. And again, it is a length that I'm looking for, so that is how tall the tree is. And it doesn't say to the nearest metre or anything, so we should go to 2 decimal places there.